Okay, people. Little area here. Charlie's got his bed. So that's my spot. That's where I will be the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks or however long I want. Alright, I'm going to go into town and see what's happening. So there's the Q mountain way over there. Now we just have to figure out how to get there. There's all these little roads to kind of try to navigate your way there without running through people's property. So there's so many people here. So many people. Look at it. Littered with people everywhere. So I'm gonna follow this guy and see how far. There's the queue over there. You can see it in the distance. So hopefully this road gets us close enough and then we can hike in the rest. There's the queue. Whew. Whew. Look at the view. That's Quartzsite. And there's the queue. And there's the Charlie dog almost at the top. Whew.